Assalamu alaikum, how are you all? Last day I showed you how to download and install Node.js. So those who haven't installed it yet, install it quickly cause from next day we will start using it inshallah. Okay, so let's see what we will learn today. So first we will open our VS Code and we will write here what we will learn today. What we will learn today. First, what is variable and how does it work? And second, what is needed to declare a variable? And third, we will solve 10 real life examples based on today's topic. Okay, so let's get started. Our first question, what is variable and how does it work? Suppose you took some parts or container, for example your first container, your second container, your third container, and your fourth container, and then you put some different items inside your containers. For example, you have put rice inside your first container, and then you have put sugar inside your second container, and you have put salt inside your third container, and you have put egg inside your fourth container. Okay, so then generally you have to give each container a name so that you can easily find out your item later time when you need it. So you have to give a specific or unique name on your container. Okay, so since you have put rice inside your first container, so you can give the name of your first container rice. Okay, and since you have put sugar inside your second container, so you can give the name of your second container sugar. Okay, and since you have put salt inside your third container, so you can give the name of your third container salt. And finally you have put inside your fourth container egg, so you can give the name of your fourth container egg. Okay, so now you can find out your items so easily because you have declared a specific or unique name of your container. So similarly, when doing programming, we have to store different types of data or information, so we need a place to store this information. So you can call your items your data or information. You can call your items your data or information, and you can call your container or ports the place of your computer or the storage of your computer where you can keep your data or information. And you have to declare a specific or unique name like this. Okay, so I hope you will be able to understand variables by understanding this. So this is the main point of variables. Okay, so our second question, what is needed to declare a variable? Since we have to declare variable, so what is needed to declare a variable? Okay, so our second question, what is needed to declare a variable? So we need uh, five things five things need five things needed to declare a variable. So five things needed to declare a variable. First const. Second, name. Third, equal. And fourth, value. And fifth, semicolon. So now we can explain what is this. Okay, what is const? So it's the language of computer. Computer did understand our language, so computer understand by this word that you are going to declare a variable. So const means you are going to declare a variable. So we can write here, you are going to declare a variable. Okay, so second, what is name? So name means the name indicates what type of data is contained in the variable. What type of data is contained in the variable. So name means what type of data is contained in the variable. And third, equal. So what is equal? This means that you are going to store a data or information. You are going to store a data or information. Okay. And fourth, value. So what is value? So value means it is your main data or information that you are storing here. So it's your main data or information. And fifth, semicolon. So what is semicolon? This means that your code is finished. Your code is finished. Practice with real life examples. Okay, our first example, declare a variable named age and put your birth year in it. So declare a variable name age. So we will declare a variable. So first we will write const. Okay, const, and then we will write name. So what is the name? So here declare a variable name age. So here we will write age. Okay, and then third, equal. Okay, equal. And fourth, value. So it's your main data or information. So what is your main data? So here put your birth year. So our main data is our birth year. Suppose your birth year 2002. Okay, so we wrote value. And fifth, semicolon. Our code is finished. So easy. I hope you understand what is variable. So it is variable. Const age. So five things here: const age, equal, value, and finally okay, and finally semicolon. Okay, and then our second examples, how many brothers and sisters do you have? Put that number in a variable. Okay, So first const and then name. So what will be the name here? How many brothers and sisters? So we can declare name bro sis. Bro means brother, sis means sisters. Okay, and then equal and then value. So what will be the value? uh, so our value will be how many brothers and sisters do you have. So suppose uh, I have 4 brothers and sisters, so our value will be 4, and then our code is finished with semicolon. Okay, third examples: declare a variable called students. Okay, we can declare a variable const, and then we will write here name. So what will be the name? So here indicates the name students. So variable called students. Okay, students, and then equal and then value. So what will be the value? With the number of students in your class. So suppose in my class 100 students. Okay, we can write our value 100 and then close with semicolon. Okay, fourth examples: declare a variable called marks. Okay, we can declare a variable const and then name. What will be the name here? Declare a variable called marks. Okay, marks. Our name will be marks, and then equal and then value. So what will be the value here? With the marks you got in the last exam. Okay, so suppose you got in the last exams 500 marks. So you can write here 500 value and then closed with semicolon. Okay, and fifth examples: declare a variable called rooms. Okay, we can declare a variable called rooms and then equal, and then what will be the value? There are to indicate how many rooms. Okay, our value will be how many rooms there are in your house. So suppose in my house 3 rooms. Okay, so we can write here our value 3 and then closed with semicolon. Okay, so the rest of our examples 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so I am not doing it anymore. These are homework for you from 6 to 10. So I hope you will practice 5 examples 6 to 10 in your home. Okay, I hope you have understand variables very well. You must practice with many things around you. Okay, see you again next day, inshallah.